Hi, I'm Marion Bloodworth and I'm an employment law partner in our employment team here at Fox Williams. I'm joined today by my colleague Lucy Sorrell, legal director in our team. We advise a lot of fintechs and payment businesses on employment matters, and we're going to talk to you today about the 5 most important things for a fintech business to get right from an employment perspective.
Employment contracts are important for any business, but the specialised nature of the fintech market and fierce competition in spaces like payments mean that confidentiality provisions and well-drafted post-termination restrictions like non-competes are vital to get right. Many businesses in this sector, particularly those which are scaling and aren't sure of their staffing needs, rely on consultants rather than employees, and different contractual issues apply for each category of worker. For example, protecting intellectual property created by consultants can require a bit more thought. If your business is regulated, this will very likely have an impact on your arrangements with your employees at many moments of the employment lifecycle, from background checks to the way that you conduct appraisals and record people's suitability for their jobs, through to training and the content of their references when they leave employment.
References can be a particularly difficult area in our experience, both because employers are tightly constrained by regulation, but also because the impact of a reference on an individual's future employment prospects are so severe. Many businesses in this space use employers of record, which can be a great way to test an overseas market. However, not having a direct contractual relationship with your staff can create a number of tricky employment issues when it comes to protecting your confidential information or IP, dealing with disciplinary matters, and also when it comes to employment termination.
Many tech businesses have really embraced remote working and are glad to save on the costs of office space, but remote working does create legal problems for businesses, from staff well-being to the implications of employees requesting to work from abroad. If these requests are granted on a long-term basis, there are other risks to consider, such as employees taking on employment rights in other jurisdictions, the organisation inadvertently establishing a tax presence overseas, and immigration issues.
Rapid scaling is very exciting for employees a lot of the time, but there's a more problematic side to it, with businesses quickly finding that they outgrow the employment legal documentation they've put in place and running into problems when it comes to seeking investment because it's not fit for purpose in the new world. Spending time and effort up front on your contracts, policies and other employment documents and ensuring that they are future-proofed and suitable for a growing business can be really worthwhile in the longer term, and avoids further work down the line when it comes to securing funding. We hope that's been helpful. Please do get in touch if you need any assistance with your employment law needs.